Sailing Japan in style.
Welcome to Sailing Japan in Style. Hi everyone, it's Now. Today we're going to repair some damage on our boat. In February, we noticed a fracture on the starboard edge of the transom. To fix it, we needed to wait until the weather warmed up. Now that it's summer, we're going to take care of it. Here's the damage. We don't know how it happened. Alright, let's get started.
So, here we are on my boat, and we're about to fix a hole in the hull. Actually, it's just a crack, but anyway, it's repairing the gel coat on the hull of our boat. Now, to do this, here are the tools we need. First, we have some acetone. We've got a vacuum cleaner. We've got a goggle and some rubber gloves. We've got some mixing sticks. The gel coat repair kit with resin and catalyst. We mix them together. Mixing cups, tape, and a Dremel. I've never used one of these before, so today is going to be a challenge. Now, help me here. 5 parts resin, 1 part catalyst. 1. Well, let's call this 2. Let's call this 2. 4. Nope, let's call this 5.
Okay.
Let's call this 5. This is going to be 5, so 1/5 of that.
How much is one part?
That look like 1/5 to you, or
I think it's too much.
too much? Yeah.
Yeah, you should make it less. I think I'm good at measuring by side. Should I help you a little
Does
bit?
that look like 1/5? Still too
Almost.
much?
It's still too much. The catalyst looks like honey. Will it get solid when it gets dry?
Yep. It will take about 12 hours for it to really harden. I think this is looking pretty good. This is feeling pretty good. It will take about 12 hours now for the gel coat to dry, so I guess no more work for us today. We'll work on it again tomorrow.
So Mike, how did it go?
It went well. All things considered, it was our first time repairing gel coat on this boat, and it's satisfactory.
So, I hope you liked our video. Gel coat maintenance is essential to keeping one's boat looking stylish. We hope this demonstration of our technique has been helpful. Let us know if you have any questions. If you're interested in our activities here on Sailing Japan in Style, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram. See you next time. Bye!